What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is Marketing with Dev. Make sure you guys give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos just like this one. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to run Facebook ads for a cleaning product. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. First thing you need to do is be inside of your ads manager dashboard and select this green create button in the top left. After we do that, we are going to select the type of campaign objective that we want. So if we are selling a cleaning product, let's say this is like an all-natural cleaning solution, you spray and then you wipe it off and it's clean. We're going to use a sales campaign or a sales objective because we're going to be selling with the ad and the conversion will take place right across the ad. I always like to do manual. Now we are inside of the campaign, and the first thing that we always want to do is just name the campaign so we know exactly what it is when we're looking at it. Sales. So we named this L1 just to let us know that this is a prospecting campaign or a campaign that's going to cold traffic or people who have never heard of our business before. If this was a retargeting campaign or a campaign going to people who have interacted with us in the past, this would have been L2. Cleaning product, just because this is an example. I don't know the name of the cleaning product, but if this was you and your company and this was your product, you put the name of your cleaning product just so you know what campaign it is when you actually look at it. And sales, just because that is the objective of the campaign. So when we have a bunch of different campaigns running at the same time on the dashboard, we can just easily look and be able to tell what it is that we're looking at. And after we name the campaign, that's the only thing we're going to have to do on the campaign level. So we can go to the bottom right and we can select next. Now we are on the ad set level. And again, we want to name the ad set level, but we always name the ad set level the name of the audience that we're targeting. And since we don't have that yet, we're just going to leave this blank for now. Conversion location, 9 times out of 10 is going to be a website. So put website. Performance goal, we want to maximize number of conversions. You want to select your pixel and select your conversion event. This is a demo account for me, so I don't have everything set up in this account. But you will have your pixel right here and you will have your setup conversion event right there. Going down to budget and schedule. So for this strategy, we are going to have 3 ad sets, each at $20 a day. So that is a total of $60 per day. And we're going to let these run for about 3 to 5 days for the initial test. So that is the recommended budget that I would recommend for you just to start off. $20, 3 different audiences, just to spend enough to get us enough data to actually make a data-driven decision based off of. Going down to location, I'm in the United States. You're going to want to put whatever country you're in and all the countries that you sell to. Going down to Advantage Plus Audience. Now we are going to press switch to original audience options and then use original audience. So now that we have done that, we are now going to use some interest. And the way that we use interest to always find our ideal prospects and our ideal customers with Facebook ads is by using our 3-layer detailed targeting strategy. And the first layer is always going to be something that is directly related to your product or your service. The second layer is going to be something that is closely related to your product or your service. And the third layer is going to be something that your ideal prospects or your ideal customers are also interested in. So this doesn't have to be anything related to your product. It can be, somewhere they like to eat, place they like to travel, things they like to buy, shows they like to watch, and things of that nature. So since we are doing 3 ad sets, we can do 1 ad set for each layer. So let's start with layer 1 for this interest. And like I said earlier, it's just going to be something that is directly related to my product or my service, right? So if I'm selling a cleaning product, like we have already mentioned, then cleaning, right? Cleaning home and garden is something that is directly related to my product and to my service. So We can select cleaning for this first ad set and layer 1. And now we can go to the top. And like we said, we're going to name the name of the ad set, the name of the interest that we're targeting. Now we can put cleaning up there so we know exactly what audience this is going to. And now we can go to the bottom right and we can select next. Now we are taken to the ad level, and let's just call this video 1. So whatever you're using, whether it be an image or a video, for each and all 3 of your ad levels, everything is going to be exactly the same. Same video, same copy, same everything. And the reason for this is because for the strategy, we are testing 3 different audiences. And since we're testing the audiences, it's important that we keep all the other variables the same. So we only want to test 1 variable at a time. So for an example, if we wanted to test the audiences, but we also use different ads for the different audiences, we wouldn't know if the difference in results is due to the change in audience or if it was due to the change of the ad. So it's very important that when we're testing something, we're only testing 1 variable at a time. And in this instance, it's going to be the audiences that we're testing, which means the ads will be the exact same. So put in video 1 or image 1, anything you need to call it so you can recognize it, identity, Facebook page, and your Instagram account. Like I said, this is a demo account, so I don't have everything set up, but you will put in your Facebook page, you will select your Instagram account. Going down to creative source, you want to manual upload, format, single image or video. Going down to add creative. This is where we're going to add media. You can add your image right here or add your video right there. Primary text, this is where your ad copy is going to go. And headline, this is where your headline is going to go. So I have videos on this channel going over all 3 of these: how to create high converting ad videos, how to write high converting ad copy, and how to create compelling headlines. So I'm not going to waste time going over all 3 of those again. You guys can check out those videos that are on this channel. But I will say for the headline, just make sure that your biggest benefit is being mentioned in that headline. Going down to destination. Now, this is where you're going to put your website URL, not your home page, but the actual product page, the actual page where people can buy from, right? Very important that we put that page right here. So when people click the link from the ad, they're taken straight to the product page where they can actually buy. And after you do that, you will have completed everything you need to do for the ad level. And every time we duplicate an ad set, all of this will be automatically duplicated with it. So what we're going to do is go back to cleaning that first ad set that we did. Then we're going to go over to these 3 dots and we're going to quick duplicate. So as you see, as we quickly duplicate it, not only does it create another ad set level, but it also creates another ad level. So like I said, you're only going to have to fill out the ad level 1 time. And then as we duplicate it, it will automatically be there for you. So now we're going to do the same thing in this duplicated ad set level. We're going to change this name and we're going to go down to the detail targeting and we're going to input a layer 2 interest now. So if layer 1 was something that was directly related to our product or our service, layer 2 is something that is closely related to our product or our service. This is the wrong one. So maybe something like Clorox, right? So we are selling a cleaning product. So something that is closely related to a cleaning product is another cleaning product, right? So we can put in Clorox, because if you're interested in something like Clorox, then it stands to reason that you're interested in cleaning products. So you might be interested in ours as well. So we're going to put in Clorox right there. Then we're going to go to the top and we're going to change the ad set name like we just did. And then now we're going to do the same thing. Hit the 3 dots on the Clorox ad set, and then we're going to quick duplicate that. Now that we have done that, again, all we have to do now is change the audience name. So take out Clorox. And now layer 3 is something that our ideal clients are also interested in. And this could be anything, like I said before. So this will really be based off of the research that you guys have done about your target audience for you guys to get the best interest. But let's just say, for the sake of argument, that our ideal clients who are interested in our cleaning products also like baking, right? Something they like to do in their free time is baking. So let's put that one in, and let's go to the top and change the name. Now we have 3 different ad sets with 3 different audiences that are going out there, and our ads are going to be shown to these 3 different audiences, right? Baking, Clorox, and cleaning. So they have to be interested in one of these 3 to be able to see any of our ads. We're going to let those ads run for about 3 to 5 days before we make any adjustments. From that point, once you have a good enough amount of data, you can make data-driven decisions from that point and moving forward to have success with your ads. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys leave me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos just like this one. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.